Hey guys, it's Isabella here over here at the Skywheel, and this is where Daniel was, but I wanted to show you something. Look at all this pollen right over here on my car. See all that pollen on my car right there? I wasn't about to take put the top down because I don't want the pollen all over my car. But here we're gonna get ready to walk over here to the, let me flip this around. I'm gonna show you. Let me see, can I flip it around? So there's the Skywheel where Daniel was. And you park in these little nifty little parking spaces over here. You gotta pay to park yet. That's what we gotta do. And I'll show you all that. And we got the Skywheel there. We got the Aqua Beach Inn down there. And then we got beautiful boardwalk over here. Let's go ahead and walk down here and I'll show you. All this, look at this. We got the University of Rock and Roll. We got all this. Look at this beach walk and all this kind of stuff. Look all down here. Got the gay dolphin right there. Sorry guys.
We can be in your picture or something.
There you go. And then we got the Skywheel right there, guys. And you got the zombies tour right there. Look at all that. Isn't that cool? Let's go ahead and cross the street right here. They'll let us. Look at them walk. Look at them driving right on by and they don't even see us. Got ice creams, pretzels, hot dogs, anything you want on the beach over here. Beachfront boardwalk. Got this beautiful sitting area over here. And I live 10 minutes away from this, guys. Let me stop here and get some focus. Got these dolphins right over here. Nice little sitting area, and there's the beach right there. All right, there's an old topper there. You probably saw that in the back of Daniel's video there. He was sitting out at the beach. And check it out. Check out these beaches. They're so clean. Bottlenose dolphin. There's that Skywheel, there's a boardwalk. Gorgeous, gorgeous. Some more of the boardwalk. You got the Skywheel there and you got the boardwalk right over there. You got the birds right on the He's wanting some food. So I'm standing in the spot where Daniel was when he took that video. Like I said, I'm only 10 minutes away from here. It's gorgeous, gorgeous. Check this out. Check out this beach over here. Isn't that gorgeous? And he just inspired me. That's the reason why I was mentioning that, is because he inspired me. It's like I'm like 10 minutes away from this gorgeous place and I can just easily be making some content from here. So, and I mean, it was cold in wintertime. It's like pollen's coming down, but here I am. I don't have my laptop because I don't want pollen on my laptop. I can do all my business right from home, right from my phone, right on the beach. If you guys want to do that also, click the link below. Thanks.